Go through some of the later summer flowers and the berries to remind us that we are now in September. By now, many of the insects have become lethargic. The spider is one exception, as it will stay active until the first frosts or until the heavy dews or rain break down its web. And here's a fine example of one of the carpet moth caterpillars still feeding. This is probably a second hatching, the first being about May or June. And almost inert and basking in the late sun, the rarer wingless form of the great green grasshopper. And here is the speckled wood butterfly. But no lazing about for the bee, who works right on to the last sprig of lavender. And all too soon, October, month of changing hues and varying skies, a season of passing glories, tinged with sadness, as nature's tempo slows and walks